In this session, we will finish up the layout and actually do some coding. First of all, when I look at this screen, if it's a team with a designer, they will probably calculate and provide the exact percentages of spacing from here to here and from here to here. So if you're working with a designer, there isn't much to worry about. However, if you're working without a design, I recommend, for example, setting the spacing from here to here to 7%, then adding text and spacing from to here by 2% or 3%, and doing the same from here to here and from here to here, which would total 7%. And the text.
After that is 3%.
The text will keep going, so we need to decide what percentage to use. From here to there, it's a bit ambiguous, because on this device, the font size can be this much, but if it's this small, the current font size feels very large and might break. So what I recommend is to divide it into larger sections, like head, chest, and abdomen. I think it will look something like this, from here to there, from here to there, and from here to there. So, 2 to 4 to 4, or 2 to 5 to 3. I'll start by setting up a large layout like this. Then I'll create a view and set the style case to 20% and give you 2 with sky blue. I think 2, 5, and 3 would be fine. This is orange mellow. And it goes about 90% here. And now, let's comment out the red here. Yes, after doing that, if you want to input the information down here, it will start being entered from here. Then, we saw this much as below earlier. In the end, this place has to come out from here. Then, we can also use the margin of this text. But since there is only this one string, that will go into the view anyway. Here, let's set the display to flex, and then apply flex into the content. After that, we can style it by setting the font size to about 24. In this case, since it's divided into 3 parts. It might look a bit different, but if you change the black part to white, it will look a bit better. Next, let's set the font weight to bold. It feels like we need to lift this part a bit more. and elevate this part as well. But if we remove the background, it will feel less awkward. Removing the background will make it look more natural, right? In my opinion, it seems like this is a bit lower than the screen. So actually, I think it would be more natural to go like this 15 here, then this is the clothing, and then 3 here. But looking at this done by eye, it seems like the designers might be able to work with this. So this time, we figured out the layout arrangement using a margin top here. And instead of just entering text, we specified the ratio, including this text, to set up the layout. Then next time, we will actually return to inputting